Amazon influencers and on-site creators, could you use an extra $1,000 from your current content just by clicking 3 extra buttons a day? I asked that question to myself, and the answer for me was definitely yes. The first thing that I do every single day while checking my sales and my commissions is I come in and I collect this button right here for the Creator Connections check. And for the Creator Connections check, I look at my product videos, and when I go in here, I check my videos and I do Affiliate Plus campaigns. So this checks all my affiliate sales and commissions as well as all my Creator Connections campaigns that I have accepted or that I have missed accepting, and it will check the ASIN of every single one and get out there, and if there's a product that I have not tagged, or if there is a Creator Connections campaign that is better, longer, or a better connection, it's automatically going to select it and it's going to accept the campaign so that I can go ahead and get those commissions, the longer commission windows, and be able to automatically submit my content. So I click this button and it will go ahead and do a search. They have a free plan where you can do it slowly and it'll do a couple pages at a time, or you can do the paid plan. And with the paid plan, it will allow you to go ahead and do hundreds of them at a time. So it only takes a couple of minutes to get it done. And so you'll see here for today, I had 26 matches. It filtered out 14 because I already had accepted better campaigns for these, but there was 8 unique campaigns that I had not already selected, and that is bringing in extra money for me that I wouldn't already know about. So as campaigns will go ahead and expire, and so you'll see here, I had the one that said it expires in 36 days, but it found another campaign that had the same commission for the same company, but it expires in 97 days. So it lengthens your days of being able to get commissions. It goes back and finds ones that you had products for that maybe they have disappeared and so they need new campaigns. And so it'll go in here. So like right here, I had 5 days left to make money. And it found one that is going to be 36 days and it has a higher commission. So not only am I going to be making more commission, but I have more days to be able to make commission with it, which is awesome. And then over here at the top, you'll see I have auto-accepted campaigns for ones I did not have. So I've got a bunch in here that either fell off or it didn't already have Creator Connections campaigns, but now it does. And so now there's 8 more campaigns where I can make money. And I do this every single day. It takes a couple of minutes and it is raking in extra money for me that I would not have gotten. Now they just started doing a second thing to stack and maximize that money, those commissions that you can get that you were not thinking about that are from the wayside, which is the new sponsored products for creators. This is where if you're driving traffic and you get clicks on that traffic, but they don't end up buying anything, you get earnings for every single click you have. So if you'll go and search for different things, you'll get 10 cents, 24 cents, 50 cents, 60 cents, 80 cents for every single click that you get that goes to that product. If they don't end up buying, you still get paid. And you'll see, I really wasn't doing that, but you can get paid either or. So if they go and they click from your link and they don't end up buying, you can get the earnings per click, and a lot of products have them. And if they do buy, then of course you get the on-site affiliate commissions so that you're gonna go ahead and get the bigger commission and the stack commission. But right here, they have these sponsored products, and all I had to do was I go Creator Connections, I go check storefront IDs, and then I do sponsored products, and it will look at every single one of your videos that you have in your storefront. And so right now, it just went ahead and looked at my 1,116 videos. And when it did that, it found 422 campaigns automatically for me. It accepted every single campaign and submitted my video to that campaign so that I can go ahead and get the earnings per click. And so that's going to double the money I'm going to be able to get. So even if I don't get a conversion, if they go to one of those 422 different campaigns and they click on it, at least I'm going to get a little bit of pay for it. And that's something that I was able to do in 2 minutes. and I got 422 campaigns that's ready to make me money with one click. And I can check this and the second one every single day. Now, this app does hundreds of different things, and it makes life so much easier, but these are the 2 ways that I've been able to scoop in an extra $1,000 that I wouldn't have already gotten myself, that has automated it with just a couple minutes a day and 3 clicks. If you want to go ahead and check out this app, I'll have a link in the description below. It is an affiliate link, so if you decide to sign up for free, if you decide to sign up and you get a paid plan, it'll give me a couple bucks. But I also have exclusive coupon codes down below, and I'm going to have more training on this as well. So if you purchase through my link, I'm going to have more training on how to use this and how to maximize with a couple other things that I've been doing to be able to double and triple the amount that I've been making on-site and off-site affiliate commissions for the Amazon Associates program. So definitely check it out. There's a link in the description below, as well as the newest updated promo codes to get a discount on the already low price. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.